Hello friends, welcome to my vlog where you get to spend the Christmas weekend with me and my family. If you're new here, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button as well, and the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. So for dinner, we were going to have roast beef with ugali, and it was rosemary roast beef, so I went to get some from the bush that had grown for some time. And with that, we have some meat ready, some spices here: paprika, beef masala, curry powder, coriander, and the rosemary branch that we got. So this is what we're going to use to make our roast beef, and then just put it on top of fire and cook it until it's down to the bone. And definitely you need some Coke to take with your beef, but I also got here a packet of popcorns that we're going to just pop and have as a snack as we watch movies throughout the night. To start us off with the roasting process, we're going to do a mixing of the spices. Let me know if you need a list of everything that we use, but we'll combine all the spices in a plate with some salt, and then we're going to marinate our beef in it. So our spice is ready. We're going to just make some cuts in the meat to make sure that when we're marinating, the spice is able to get in. Our meat is ready. We'll go ahead and spice. So we're just going to cover every nook and cranny of this meat with the spice mix that we have, and then we'll leave it to marinate for like 20 minutes just to make sure it soaks in all the goodness, and we'll go ahead and carry out the next step. So everyone has a different way of preparing meat. We have different ways. Today we did where we start by toasting it in some oil and butter and some rosemary in a pan, just making sure that it gets browned on all sides. And then because we had so much meat, we did this in 2 pans. After that, then we can be able to cover them in a foil paper and put them on a jiko. But in the meantime, we just toast everything together. Once our meat is fried, we'll then go ahead and cover it all in a foil paper, and we'll still do the same thing and add rosemary sticks in it because we're having rosemary roast. So this is going to be covered into a nice pouch that we can then put on the fire. So our meat is wrapped in the foil paper. We're going to put it in a jiko. This is just a simple jiko okoa with charcoal in it. We'll roast it for 2 hours, and the result is very tender, falling off the bone meat, which is very yummy and very soft. This is day 2. We went to my mom's farm to look for some vegetables that we're going to have for dinner. We got some sageti, some miro, and kunde, which we later boiled, cooked down, put some milk in it, and let it cook down until it's very soft and ready for us to eat with ugali and any meat of our choice. Still on day 2, we went to the market. We went and got us some fruits, bananas, plums, watermelons, and pineapples. This cost us roughly 800 shillings, with each item costing at least 200 pop. And there were so many because they've been able to last us for the time, the whole weekend, the whole Christmas weekend, which is quite good for us. For lunch, we made chicken pilau, and this was the best recipe I've ever done. If anyone needs it, just put a comment in the comment section. We're going to share it with you. But we had chicken pilau for lunch with steamed cabbages and some fruits, the fruits that we got from the market, as our lunch for the day. We also got to feed the chickens in my mom's farm. She has some chickens that she's keeping. We got to give them some layers mash because we want them to start laying eggs, some water as well to make sure that they're hydrated even as they walk around eating the soil and grass within the farm. We took the dog for a walk. It's been 2 days since it last walked, so we wanted to take it out for a walk and hike some places just where we live and have it enjoy the environment, walk around and just get jovial. The view up here was breathtaking. It took away the exhaustion from all the climbing that we did, and it was lovely just looking at the town from this point because we're able to see the lake, we're able to see the mountains and all. It got quite cloudy during the evening. It sort of tried to rain, but generally it was an awesome day. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in this and other vlogs.